Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the channel, guys. What are we calling today, sweetie pie?
Drawing a machine.
It's not masjid. It's a prayer mat.
It's
So we're gonna be
mat.
coloring in a prayer mat. I'll put the link to this image in the description, so you can print it out and you can color along with us. Hit the subscribe button. Press a thumbs up for us. Hit the bell to be notified when we put the video. See, ding ding. Make sure you ring that bell. To get notified of any new videos that we have, and share our content with your friends and your families to grow our channel. Thank you guys for coming all the time to watch our videos. Let's get started. Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Let's go. What color? What color you
purple.
want? You want purple?
No.
Purple.
Actually, I don't want.
Yeah. Purple or no?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, so let's move that black one. And here you go. So let's color in this big part in the middle first. This big part, okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna color it that one. I'm gonna color mine green.
Purple.
You wanna hold it with your other hand? Boom. Did you say Bismillah? Did you remember?
Yep.
Do you pray yet or not yet?
No.
No? Why not? Do you know how to pray? You do?
I pray.
Who prays?
I pray.
You pray? Do you see me praying?
Yes. And Papa's my best friend.
Oh, I'm your best friend? Thanks.
You're my best friend.
Oh, you're my best friend. Thanks. That looks great. MashaAllah. Say MashaAllah.
MashaAllah.
Also, we have a how to draw a prayer mat video, one of our past videos. If you want, you can check that video out. Oh, you draw that one purple too? Nice. Let me do mine now. You're doing purple. I'm gonna do this one blue.
I'll do pink and blue. Pink and yellow.
Pink and yellow?
Yep. Pink and yellow.
Do you have a favorite color?
Yeah.
What is your favorite color? Purple?
Yeah.
Wow. Allah Mubarak, you're staying in the line. I like it. Nice. Okay, now just do this little tip, yeah? And now we're gonna change the color, okay? What color you want to do? You want to do black? Maybe a different one? Because black is kind of hard to see. You want to do different color? Let's do a different one. Yeah? Let's do different color. Yeah?
Yeah.
Something more bright.
I want
Look, you have a lot of options.
blue.
You want a blue one? Nice. Just like my blue one. Let's color which one? This blue, part blue? Yes. That's nice. Nice and dark blue. I'm going to do dark green. It looks great. Allah Mubarak. Yeah, mashallah.
MashaAllah.
Mashallah.
This part.
Yeah, I have to get that part. You're right. Thank you for reminding me. Do you like going to the masjid?
Yes.
Oh, that's very nice.
This part.
Okay, yeah. I'll do that part after. I like to do this part first, and I'll do it after.
This part and this part.
I know. Thank you.
I saw something cried.
Oh, something crying?
It was subscribe.
Oh, subscribe. Oh, you're telling everyone to subscribe. Thank you. See, because she said you guys have to subscribe, so you have to listen. And you have to subscribe. And hit that bell.
I will show this to everyone.
You're gonna show it to everyone? Nice. Maybe they can color it too, and they can show us their picture too, and see what they colored. Oh, nice. So now you're on the edge part. Here I go too. Ooh, a red one. Just like our background. Be creative. You could pick any color you want. You don't have to stick to the same thing. You can draw some designs in it if you want. Yes.
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
Subscribe. Ding, ding, ding.
I think they've already subscribed. They know to subscribe.
Subscribe and ding, ding, ding.
And hit the ding ding bell button.
I'll hit the ding.
Yes, so they know. And how about thumbs up? Thumbs up. They have to put thumbs up. That show that they like it.
I'll put some tips.
It looks very good.
It's very
Very
good.
good. MashaAllah. Allah Mabarak.
Mubarak.
Allah Mabarak. Very nice.
Mubarak.
You're doing a great job.
And this.
That's red. Yes?
This.
Mm-hmm. Alright guys, so we just finished coloring our permats. That's her beautiful permat. MashaAllah. Here's mine. You guys can color any way you want. You can add designs to it inside the permat, maybe add flowers or anything else you want. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button. Yes, thank you very much. And the bell button. Ding, 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 ding. Hit that bell button to get notified when our next videos are up. See you guys next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.